Hi friends, Tracy.bish here, Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Australia. Welcome to my channel. I'm super excited to be doing my Tracy Sunday challenge for this week, and you can join in as well. I'm using the Hearts and Hugs bundle that's in the annual catalogue, and I'm also grabbing out this DSP. Now this is the Full of Life 6x6 paper pack. It's in the annual catalogue, and I've got some great news about that as we go along in the video. So I've got my colour combo here. I really want to use Berry Burst, Coastal Cabana, and those colours worked really well with the DSP that I chose. And we've got some basic white thick cardstock as well. Alright, so I have my layer of Berry Burst cardstock as my card base. I've got Coastal Cabana as the matting, then the DSP over the top. We also have a basic white layer for the inside of the card. This is a very dark card, so you want to be able to write on, you know, a lighter layer. So I've used basic white, and we're going to do some stamping. So the Hearts and Hug bundle has 10 beautiful stamps. I love my critter stamps, and this is such a cute one. I've grabbed out that little hamster as well as the little mouse, and we're going to stamp just on a bit of scrap basic white thick cardstock with the Memento ink. We're going to stamp our little hamster here, and then for the inside of the card we are going to use that little mouse, and I'm also going to stamp the little love hearts. So there's a trio of love hearts all the way around. We're going to use stamping blends to colour these as well. So for the stamping blends colours, we have Smoky Slate and Berry Burst, and I did grab my Blendabilities, which are the old markers in Coastal Cabana, and I actually didn't use them, so it doesn't really matter anyway. So I'm just going to speed this up as we go. Now the great news is today, starting today, over the next 3 days, so you've got Wednesday night, we've got Thursday, and you've got Friday, is the seasonal sale. Now this is Stampin' Up's sort of like a Black Friday sale with some really great specials. So up to 20% off. It is items from the annual catalogue, which includes stamping blends, ink pads, re-inkers, we've got DSP, we've got cardstock, so many things. So there is a link in the description of this video with the seasonal sale that'll take you to my online store. Go and have a look through that. Grab your cardstock while it is nice and cheap. Grab those ink pads that maybe you've been looking at, and if you've got the ink pad but not the re-inker, now's the time to do that as well. Oh, bundles are also 20% off, which is why I wanted to let you know about the Hearts and Hugs bundle. Now this is in the annual catalogue. You can get this at 20% off, and it's a great little stamp set and die set bundle set. And also that DSP in the annual catalogue is also on sale. So get in, have a look at what's there. It's available Wednesday the 13th, Thursday the 14th, and Friday the 15th. So, and you can use that link in the description of this video to go over and have a look at what's available in the store. So yeah. Alright, and just quickly, anyone who does purchase with me in the month of November using the host code, which is also linked in the description of this video, will receive some really great deals. Because I have had a little bit of a break, and I didn't really get to share my October Simple Sweet Stampers and the October tutorial bundle, everyone who orders through the November host code, which is there on the screen, will get the October and the November Simple Sweet Stampers tutorial for any size order. Now if you order over $65, you'll get both the Simple Sweet Stampers tutorial for October and November, but you're also going to receive October and November's bundle tutorials, the monthly tutorial bundles. So if you're spending $65 in product, you can effectively get off me 4 beautifully big tutorial bundles, which is an amazing free gift just for shopping with me, and I'd love to spoil you. So if that interests you, go over and have a look at the seasonal sale, because I'm sure you will find some new things there that you would like to grab. Alright, so I've just I've die cut that little heart banner, popped my die back down, drew around it with my pencil, and then just quickly fussy cut that out. I wanted the little hamster to be hanging on to a whole heap of hearts, and I thought this was a great way of using that the offshoot of our dies. So looks cute. I really liked it. Also, when I was colouring in with the Stampin' Blends, I used the Petal Pink as well, just for the ears and his little cheeks as well. So I'm just going to grab a strip of basic white cardstock. This is the regular cardstock, and I do muck around with this a little bit, sort of go backwards and forwards, cutting it down a little bit. I find it's probably sometimes easier to cut a little bit at a time, and if it's not right, it's fine, because I can use those little strips for something else rather than cutting it down and then, you know, it's not the right size, it's too small. So that's just a little tip from me. Alright, so I have my liquid glue. We're just going to add our 3 layers together and pop that down onto the card base. We're also going to add our centerpiece writing area, and then we can start designing all that cute little hamster there. Now, I could have ran that basic white piece through an embossing folder, which would look really, really good. I've kept it plain using those hearts from that die cut to just add a little bit of texture to the background. Now, if you would like to join in this week's challenge, the theme is animals. So create a card with an animal, and let's face it, I'm sure we have tons and tons of animal stamps or DSP in our stash. So use what you have. It doesn't have to be Stampin' Up, it doesn't have to be current, it can be whatever you have in your stash. And take a photo of it and then come and share it over on my business Facebook page. You'll see the post, my challenge post. Pop your card in the comments section, and we would love to see what you're creating. Now, it's free to join. You're just sharing your creativity, and I would love it if a few more people joined in and, you know, had a bit of fun each week. And I'm hoping to sort of get back into creating a card. I might not always do a video. It just depends on how I'm going, because, you know, there's a lot going on in our lives, and I can't be crafting all day every day. It burnt me out. So I'm trying to do the balance thing, as well as still provide some great content for you as well. Okay, so I've just stamped my little label there in the banner cut label and added that to our little hamster. We're going to adhere all those down. I've popped it up with some dimensionals, and we're also going to just adhere that little heart banner as well. Now, if you have enjoyed today's video, I would love it if you gave me a thumbs up, left me a comment, and if you haven't hit subscribe, please do that as well. I want to say thank you so much to the people who have just recently subscribed to my channel. I'm so glad that you have, and I really hope that you're enjoying the content that I have here on YouTube. I've got almost 1,000 videos, which I think is pretty amazing, so I'm sure you'll find a little bit of inspiration in the videos as well. And there we have it. How cute is this? I love the colour combo of this card. It's a great little animal card using the Hearts and Hugs bundle. It's on sale for 20% off at the moment over my online store. So go and check out that seasonal sale. I'll link my shop front in the description of this video as well. Alright everyone, enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you all soon. Bye bye.